Hey guys, another unboxing. This one is from Blazing Foods from 1520 West Boulevard, Suite H, Charlotte, North Carolina. This should be my Johnny Scoville's Tube of Terror and my Peanut Brutal. So first we got in here is our Peanut Brutal. I'm not doing these right now. Oh. They're busted up, but they're not melted. Usually everything that I get is typically melted. Never mind, I take that back. So, and these are numbered and they're sealed, so they're not going to be messed with. There's number 3. Number 2, you can see that is all melted and had melted. There's number 1. Number 1's just pretty much all busted up. That one is the Peanut Brutal Challenge. And then we've got the Johnny Scoville Tube of Terror Carolina Reaper Peanut Challenge. So, and that's pretty cool. That one's actually got it signed. You can see that. I've seen several videos on YouTube, but I haven't seen anybody with the signed tube. So, hey, thanks, Johnny. And we got conditions of consumption. This pretty much says if you get hurt or die by doing this challenge, it's your fault, not ours, and we're not held responsible. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's see here. I got a coupon code for $5 off, and the rest of an empty box. So, this is the next challenge that's coming up. So this one will be fun to do if you haven't seen the challenge. So it's 10 minutes to eat the tube and then a 5-minute burn. And the way that Johnny Scoville did it is you have 10 minutes to eat the peanuts. If you finish them in 5 minutes, you still have to wait the remainder of the 10 minutes before you start your 5-minute burn. So it's a total of a 15-minute challenge. So this one, it's going to probably kick my butt. Those are just freaking gnarly looking. So, these are going to be fun to do. So, come back so you can see me do them.